Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Trust Wallet recovery phrase. This crucial 12-word phrase is the only way to access your digital assets. It is generated exclusively during the initial setup of a new wallet. Understanding its importance and how it works is fundamental for securing your funds. We will go through the steps to ensure you obtain and protect it properly. To generate your phrase, first open the Trust Wallet app and choose to create a new wallet. After agreeing to the terms of service, the application will present you with your unique 12-word recovery phrase. This is the one and only time the app will show you these words directly. It is absolutely vital to pay close attention at this stage, as these words are your ultimate safeguard. Safely storing your recovery phrase is paramount. You must write down all 12 words on paper in the exact order shown. Make at least 2 physical copies and store them in different, secure places, like a fireproof safe. Never take a screenshot, store it on your phone, or share it with anyone. Anyone with these 12 words can access your funds, so keep them absolutely private. If you ever need to restore your wallet, simply use your 12-word recovery phrase on a new device. However, if you lose this phrase, your funds are permanently inaccessible. Trust Wallet does not store your phrase and cannot help you recover it. There are no backdoors or alternative methods. Your recovery phrase is your sole key, and its loss means the irreversible loss of your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.